Welcome to the WION podcast. Today we're doing a deep dive into something pretty mind-bending, actually. A cosmic head-scratcher.
Oh,
Yeah, these galaxies that were basically hiding in plain sight. Well, not plain sight exactly.
right, because we couldn't see them with traditional methods.
Exactly. They've been nicknamed UFO Galaxies. Now, not the little green men kind, obviously.
No. Stands for ultra-red flattened objects, I believe. Though UFO Galaxy is catchier.
Definitely catchier, but yeah, a totally new type of galaxy discovered way out there.
And it's genuinely surprising, you know. We sort of thought we had a decent handle on the nearby galaxy population.
You too.
Yeah.
Felt like the local universe was pretty well mapped. But these things, they're described as big, red, and just incredibly dusty.
Huge amounts of dust.
And that dustiness is key, isn't it? Because telescopes like Hubble, they just miss them completely.
Yeah, right. Hubble mainly sees invisible light, like our eyes. Dust blocks that light
So they were invisible to it. But then along comes the James Webb Space Telescope.
with its infrared eyes.
Exactly. And suddenly, bam, there they are, shining brightly in the infrared spectrum.
It's a perfect example of how new technology, new ways of seeing can just reveal things we had no idea existed, like a whole hidden population.
It really is. And, the researchers involved, I think from the University of Colorado Boulder,
Yes, that's another.
one of them, Justice Gibson, basically said it makes you think maybe our picture of the universe isn't quite as complete as we thought.
Well, precisely. If our census was missing entire populations of large galaxies nearby, what does that mean? What else have we missed?
What fundamental assumptions might be? Well, wrong, or at least incomplete.
It's a big question. And that dust you mentioned, I mean, up to 50 times more dust than our own Milky Way.
50 times, that's staggering.
It really is. Where does all that dust come from? Why are they so full of it? That's a major puzzle now.
Definitely a puzzle. And they're red, too. Very red. Does that tie into anything?
Well, astronomers are certainly wondering, there are those really massive red, sort of dead galaxies we see in the very early universe.
Right, the ones that formed stars really early and then just stopped.
Exactly. So is there a connection? Are these UFOs maybe some kind of later evolutionary stage or something else entirely?
It's fascinating. So many new questions just from spotting these things nearby.
It just goes to show, doesn't it? These unexpected discoveries are what really push the science field. They force us to rethink things.
Absolutely. Keeps things exciting. And it reminds us there's still so much out there to learn. Well, that's all we have time for on this deep dive. Stay tuned for more such intriguing stories to come on the WION podcast.